Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook with me Jollof Rice. In this video I will be sharing with you how I make my jollof rice. Jollof rice is a basic rice dish cooked with tomato sauce, blended tomatoes, pepper, red bell pepper and onions. Jollof rice is very popular in various African countries like Nigeria, Ghana being one of them. This recipe is very simple, easy to follow. However, you'll be guaranteed rich flavor, super delicious jollof rice. Watch this video to the end to know how I cook my jollof rice. Let me introduce you to my ingredients. 3 cups of rice, homemade tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, beef stock. Let's start preparing our jollof rice. It is time for us to cook our jollof rice. I'm going to have half cup of cooking oil into my pot. Then I'm going to allow it to heat a little bit before putting my sliced onions. To our old and new subscribers, so much for subscribing to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing and remember to click the bell icon so you get updated every time we upload a new video. Let's start by adding our sliced onions into this already 8 pots. Let's start cooking our jollof rice. It's time for us to start frying our tomato paste. The reason we are doing this is just for us to cook our tomato paste. In the process, we won't feel the taste of tomato paste in our jollof rice. It's going to taste unique when you fry the tomato paste until it's cooked. To the stage you can start adding other ingredients in it. I'm going to continue stirring this because I don't want the tomato paste to get burnt, but I want it to be cooked. Our tomato paste is properly fried. It's now time for me to add our bay leaf into this. So I'm going to give it a bay leaf flavor. That flavor is so tasty when you try it. You will remember I say so. Now I'm going to add 4 to 5 bay leaf into this my already fried tomato paste. And I'm going to add some pinch of salt. Then I'm going to stir it. Now the taste is coming. Now it is time for me to stir this. I'm going to stir this for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to add my homemade blended sauce. I just blend tomatoes, pepper, onions and bell pepper. Then I cooked it. So it's about a cup. Then I'm going to add it into this stir. You can as well check my how to cook jollof rice to know how I make my homemade sauce. I'm going to put the link in the description below. You can as well check that out to know how I make my tomato sauce. However, I'll keep on stirring this because I want the tomato paste and the homemade sauce to mix together and cook properly. So I'm going to stir this for a couple of 2-3 minutes, and this is the outcome after a minute. It's come out properly cooked. So I'm going to add my knorr into this soup. Then I'm going to add my curry powder just to give it a flavor. Now I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of thyme leaf because I want all the flavor to come out in the jollof rice. So I'm going to stir this before covering it to allow it to cook together, because it's always good to cover or allow it to cook for a minute so you get your flavor. You can see how it looks, how the soup looks. It looks rich and thick. So let's cover it so all the flavor is going to steam together for a minute. After 1 minute, let's open and see. You can see it's properly cooked. I'm going to add my beef stock into it. We are only going to cook this rice with beef stock, so we are going to let this cook a little bit. It's going to boil properly before I'm going to add my already washed rice into the water. So this is how it looks after a couple of minutes. It's boiling properly. It's now time for us to add our rice. You can see, oh, this smells really nice. I'm going to add my already washed rice into this. I said earlier I'm going to be using 3 cups of rice. I already washed it. It's just now for me to add it. So I'm going to stir it so the soup and the rice is going to mix together. I'll stir this and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time for me to cover this. You can see how everything looks. So I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Remember, we are cooking it in a low flame. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. So I'm going to stir this to allow the remaining sauce to go around the rice, because I'm cooking this in a medium heat. Please don't use too much flame. You can as well reduce it, because too much flame can make some of the parts rice to be hard and the other side to be soft. So it's always good to cook it in a low flame so everything we cook randomly. Remember to give us your feedback in the comment section once you try this recipe. Share us outcome and how you feel and the taste in the comment section. I'll always be there to answer any of your questions regarding this recipe or any of my recipe. I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes before checking it. Now this is how it looks after 10 minutes. I just want to check for the taste and it's remaining a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add a little bit pinch of salt. You can wait it, just let it sweet to your taste. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, then I'm going to cover it. Our jollof rice is almost ready. I'm going to add butter to give it that creamy taste of jollof rice. So I'm going to cover this to allow the butter melt. This is how it looks after some minutes. So it's time for me to stir everything together. Remember, I had some pinch of salt earlier, so I'm going to stir everything. Oh my. Consider subscribing to Pretty Olayemi cooking channel and click the bell icon so you get updated every time I upload new video. Let's hang out in the comment section, so I'm always there to answer any of your questions. How do you like your jollof rice? Is it with salad or cream salad or without a cream salad? Let me know in the comment section. Is it the cream salad you love eating with jollof rice or without the cream salad? So you can as well check our other recipe on jollof rice, how to cook jollof rice and how to cook Nigeria fried rice. I'll put the link in the description below. You can as well click this box over here for more links. I guess I will see you all in my next video.